I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, currently down 46 pounds, and here's what I ate yesterday. I woke up incredibly hungry, so no fasting today. I had 4 sunny side up eggs, some cottage cheese, and half an avocado. I was a little bit naughty and cooked this in some butter, so tack on 603 calories for the whole thing. For dinner, I decided to make some red beans and rice. I threw in my beans along with my Trinity and the Pope, some andouille sausage, and don't make the same mistake as me. Brown this up and add it in the last couple of hours, because if you let it cook that long, it gets a weird texture and loses all of its flavor. I wanted to add a smoked turkey leg to this, but it was $15 at the store. You gotta be crazy if you think I'm paying $15 for a damn turkey leg. So I added some chicken thighs that I had. Some vinegar, some seasoning, a couple of bay leaves, and some chicken stock and water. I let this go for between 10 and 11 hours and then served it up with some rice, adding 1,231 calories. I apologize because everything at this point is completely out of focus, but you get the point. Yeah. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. Started the day around 2 with 3 eggs, and sometimes you just need to eat a whole fucking tomato. Seasoned it up, of course, and I also added some blackberries. This whole plate has 318 calories. I went for a brief workout today, and I'm basically a bodybuilder at this point. All that flexing worked up an appetite, so I had some sardines for a snack and added some hot sauce. Tack on 170 calories. Went for a little walk at the park and check out this place. Looks like a great place to find an extraterrestrial clown.
Hiya, Georgie.
Saw a bunch of ducks, and that's when I knew what I was having for dinner. JK, this is chicken. No ducks were harmed in the making of this video. Seasoned these up and out to the smoker. While those were going, I made some cabbage and served this up with some of the beans from the last video, and the plate total is 1,267. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. I had my first meal around 11. I went in with some leftover cabbage and a whole ass pound of ground beef with some peppers and onions. Threw on some hot sauce and just look at the steam. My wife says I have asbestos mouth because I am seemingly unaffected by hot food. This has 1,284 calories. For dinner, I filmed this $10 budget meal using a rotisserie chicken with some rice and broccoli. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. If you have, let me know if I should do more videos on that topic. Still trying to figure out the logistics of doing more videos like that. I've gotten some pushback on that one from people saying, rotisserie chickens in my neck of the woods are $8, or I've even heard $12. And there's not a lot I can do about that. I don't have like a catalog of prices everywhere. I can only go by the prices where I live and then put those options out there. So if you have any advice on that or what you would like to see, just let me know and we'll see if we can make this happen. My portion on this was 506 calories, and that brings my day total to 1,790 calories. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. I got to work with a cool brand and use some of their fajita chicken. I made this breakfast bowl with that, a couple of eggs, tomatoes, seasoned of course, avocado, pickled onions, and some green salsa. This whole bowl has 556 calories. We decided to have wings for dinner, and with the kids being out of school, they of course have friends staying with them, so I have some extra mouths to feed. So I made a lot. This bowl's a little too small to mix everything together. Much better. You gotta make sure these are evenly coated, so use whatever method you can. Onto the smoker for a bit, and then sauced half of them because half the people in my house are wimps, and served this with some packet yellow rice that I made because I didn't feel like making anything else. And then it was time to enjoy. This whole plate has 1,372 calories. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I had yesterday. First meal started with 5 eggs, sunny side up, and some veggies that I found in the back of my freezer. Pretty sure they're freezer burnt, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Meal total, 528 calories. Quick update on here, I am like 2,000 subs away from 100,000 on YouTube. That's insane. Also, we have the next weigh-in update coming out on, I think, Thursday, so be on the lookout for that. Hopefully, I'll be at the halfway mark. For dinner, I filmed a budget meal for less than $10 that I released last night. If you haven't seen that, you can grab the recipe from my most previous video on my page. It had rice and beans and some other things, and it was actually really good. It was definitely punching outside of its weight class. My bowl I ate had 586 calories, and not gonna lie, I waddled back for a second bowl, so double that. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026, and here's what I ate yesterday. First meal of the day was some sourdough with some blended cottage cheese, flaky salt, and pepper. This has 322 calories. I'll save you all by not making you watch me eat this one. Trust. And now here's the weigh-in from yesterday morning. And yes, we are still blurring the dogs. So that is a 9.1 pound loss from last month's weigh-in and a total weight loss of 54.3 pounds so far. So we're a little over halfway. I had some sardines for a snack with some hot sauce at 190 calories. Also had a banana, but I didn't weigh it, so whatever the average calories are, that's it. Showered before dinner and threw on one of my old shirts, and look at me, I'm skinny. Just kidding, I have a long way to go. For dinner, I made this recipe I saw online for something called filthy potatoes. I'll tag the original creator on platforms that let me. It was really good, but I think I could have cut a pound of the meat and potatoes because this made a ton. I even had to change pans midway through. I served this up over some broccoli slaw, and this has 757 calories. Kind of just tasted like a chili with potatoes, but I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026, and here's what I ate this weekend. I woke up Saturday feeling horrible, so the only thing I felt like eating was chicken noodle soup, so I made some with a rotisserie chicken. I also made a grilled cheese, but only had a couple of bites because I felt like I was swallowing rocks. Sunday was Father's Day, so happy late Father's Day to all. My wife and kids made me breakfast, so I had 2 pancakes with some sugar-free syrup, 2 pieces of bacon, and an egg. For dinner, we planned to go to one of my favorite local restaurants, but since I was sick, I opted to stay home out of the public, so we got Roadhouse carryout. I had all but 2 chicken tenders, most of my potato, and a couple of bites of rice left. I didn't track calories either day because I felt bad Saturday, and we don't track for special occasions. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026, currently down 54 pounds, and here's what I ate today. Started the day with some of this protein-heavy mushroom pasta. I seared some of these shrimp that I caught on sale, and then I added some Parmesan, my shrimp, and scallions to the pasta. Total calories, 525. Let's play dinner. I have what might be a genetically modified mutant chicken breast. It's huge.
That's what she said.
You know what? His little cousin Steve too. Got some more of these colossal shrimp that I bought, some roasted potatoes, and by the way, everything was weighed out over on the side. And some sauteed mushrooms. That's a lot of food. No sugar added barbecue, some no sugar added ketchup. I'll go ahead and list the full macros somewhere here on the screen. All right, I'm gonna go eat this. Thanks for watching. Update. Steve lives to fight another day. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. First off, shout out to the plug for the best eggs in the game. She also got some quail recently, so I have some of those eggs. I'm thinking about pickling them, but if you have another suggestion, let me know. First meal was 3 of these chicken sausages and 2 of those eggs sunny side up. I also paired these with a nanner. This has 411 calories. Y'all don't need to see that. Was struggling to figure out what I wanted for dinner, so I just went with one of the well-tested sweet potato bowls, baked the sweet potatoes, and then made a sauce with some fire roasted poblano, spinach, garlic, salt, pepper, water, lemon, and olive oil. And then cooked up some lean ground beef with some chili verde seasoning. I mashed up the sweet potato, added my beef, 2 more eggs, and some sauce. Total calories, 1,137. Thanks for watching.